Can you drink vaginal cum? The trend of drinking vaginal fluid, also known as vabbing, became popular in 2019 after sexologist Sean Boudram shared that she did it before going out. Some people say that vabbing can be empowering and sexy, and that vaginal secretions contain pheromones that make people more attractive to potential partners. Most people have oral sex, and especially when you're eating a girl out, you might be curious about, is it okay to drink vaginal fluid or cum? Well, the answer is yes, it is. It's possible to drink vaginal cum, but one thing you should consider is that it can carry a risk of sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. So before you eat her out, you should prepare these for you and for your partner. Number 1. Get regular STI checkup. Make sure both you and your partner don't have STDs or other infections. Number 2. Clean vagina and mouth. Hygiene is very important, and you have to make sure that her vagina is clean and also your mouth. Number 3. Talk about this with your partner. At this part, your partner's point of view, it's important also. So you have to make sure if she's okay for drinking her vaginal cum. If you already prepared all of these above, you are ready to eat her out. And is it okay to swallow vaginal fluid or cum? Does it have any effects? Well, guess what? Does not affect at all. It is not acidic and does not cause mouth ulcers as few have wrongly suggested. There is no medical evidence for the same. Vaginal fluid, if not infected, is harmless body fluid, and you can very well do oral sex without any hesitation, provided your partner maintains good hygiene. And in fact, vaginal fluid contains nutrients, electrolytes, and proteins, including zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, manganese, and vitamin B complex. It also contains lactobacilli, hydrogen peroxide, and glycogen. So now that you know you can drink vaginal fluid or vaginal cum, go ahead, eat her out and make her happy.